Welcome, here I've got VIVO X51 5G and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap on it we can open the advanced camera settings, and here we have the photo size option, so let's tap on this. As you can see we can manage aspect ratio. Now we are in 4:3, let's pick the full one. And let's go back to the camera preview to see it. As you can see we have the full camera frame now, so the background has changed. The next one, tap to the right corner and to the photo size, and we can pick also 16:9. In the camera preview it looks like that, so it's a little bit shorter than the full one. And also when we tap here again in the right corner and to the photo size, we can pick 1:1. So in the camera preview we can see that this is the square one. And of course when we go back to these settings to the photo size, we can easily go again to 4:3, the original one, to remind you this is how it looks like. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.